This is a quick demonstration to show you how easy it is to set up new products in the Gateway Custom Product platform. The quickest way to set up a new product is when you've got some existing products, go and hit the duplicate button, and that will copy everything about the existing product and allow you to then modify it. Obviously that's a very easy way if you've got a product like a greetings card that's the same again and again. So let's now go into a greetings card. One of the things with the Gateway Custom Product platform is it obviously has a lot of functionality. So there are a lot of different things you can do with it. So sometimes it could appear a bit daunting. So all I'm really going to show you now are the bits that you have to do. So the first screen when you go in is the basic details screen, which really all you need is the name of the product and the SKU. It will then let you know what space it is. 2D will be the default, personalize it as the default, and it gives you a bit of extra information. Then if you're creating your product, you simply need to go to 2D views. If you've copied it from an existing, you can simply replace the cover if it was a card, and you upload the number of pages. If you were just personalizing an inside page, you'd only need to do that once, and then all cards could be linked to that page. So once you've uploaded your pages, on the system you have print areas, text areas and image areas. In reality, these could all be the same, but the print area is the whole area that might be customizable. So if we just take a quick look at that, and you can see in this case we've got a front, a back, a left and a right. And if I click on the print area, it gives me some information. So again, what you can do here is put the exact print dimensions on. If you've copied your product, obviously that would have copied across. And it allows you to decide if you want a barcode to print anywhere on your print design, whether you want any effects to apply. If you were sublimating, it would allow you to flip. But in simple terms, all you need to do here is put your final artwork size in so it can create the artwork at the correct size. If you're on there, it will then give you a preview and show you exactly the print area on your particular product. So these dimensions, if it's a card, are obviously the bleed dimensions or the actual printable area. Then you've got things, so in this case there's a text personalization area, and you can see there we've just got one personalization field. These other ones are internal other areas. So if we click on there, it shows here we've got lots of extra details that we may want to do, including what the placeholder name would be, whether the text area can sync to other areas, what color. But in very simple terms, all we would do is scroll to our text preview, and we can drag with our mouse where we want this field to appear. Choose what fonts we might want to use on it. So we could choose any number of 600 fonts or get some new ones uploaded, or even obviously what color those fonts might be. And in simple terms, that's all we need to do to set up a product. We've obviously got options here if there was an image upload on the card, where we could use exactly the same principle to place the image on the card. In this case, there are no image areas. Right, so we've actually put some image areas inside the card as an example here, but there could be no image areas. We've also got the option, if the card was available in a range of sizes, we can go in here and without creating an extra card or extra artwork, it can automatically resize the artwork for you. So a good example of that would be A5 to A6 or something like that. So in simple terms, that's all you need to do to create your card. Then obviously if this was publishing to your website, you'd also go into the e-commerce data section where you can add the sales data that would upload to your website. So you've got all the normal sorts of information that your website would need to sell a product, right down to including tiered pricing, relationships, or even dynamic pricing on certain products. But in simple terms, I keep using that word, you've got the basic information there, you upload your 2D view, you define your print area, and you add any customizable areas. That can then automatically default and upload to your website. And any changes made here will also maintain on your website.